Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. What have I got on my lip? Wow, a fur ball. Maybe I'll shave a little closer the next time. I just took a fur ball out of my cup, and I did not care anything for it. So, what is causing the flashing light on me? I don't know. And I'm too tired to mess with it right now. And I'm just ready to say, howdy, partner, from Texas City, Pilot Point, Texas, where the grass is green and the people are friendly. You come on over. We'll fix you a bowl of chitlins. Was that any good? You can rate me on a scale of 1 to 5. 5 being that it was good and 1 that it was excellent. Yes. Do I think I'm excellent? No. Oh, heaven help me. Yeah, I'm chewing on some ice, and I wanted to sit down, and I'm looking for some answers. Okay. I can't go to school meeting. I can't go. They don't run these buses around here, or this bus that we have, after 5 o'clock. Unless it's bringing somebody back. You know, that's our day here. They don't work on Saturday and Sunday. So, plus, I can't really say that they condone the fact that I'm pro metal detectors at the entrances to schools. Forgive that little bit of drool there. I'm just having a wonderful time eating ice. It's almost like watermelon. But share this with your friends. I mean, I could tell a story or two about what's happening. And you pretty much know what's happening. Now, we were talking about schools and school kids, and how you see something, you say something. Now, how embarrassing can that be? Pretty embarrassing, I imagine. But we've got to do something different than what we've been doing. And you mothers and fathers out there have got to get up and get into the PTA meetings and get into these conversations of how these book deals are being done, because these radicals are trying to push these book deals onto your kiddos just so they can sell their type of book, let's say perversion, on your kiddos. Because if they sell those books, well, man, it's big money if they put one book in every library in every school in the state, and but you've got to be there to stop them. I can't do it for you. I can be your blessed help. You give me a call. You're welcome to give me a call at 940-300-4570. You're welcome to give me a call, and I can do what I can. I've got plenty of time to look at things and try to figure out some stuff about what's going on. But I've got to have somebody there that's a real live person in a school district that I can use their name to talk to them about. Otherwise, I'm just some Joe Blow from Kokomo that's just got a hatred for these people that are killing your children. They're not killing my children. I don't have any. But I think that your children deserve a good chance at life. There, I said it. They deserve a good chance at life, and you ought to make it as good as you possibly can. Now, you got my phone number. I don't know what you're going to do with it, but let me see if we got Noah.
Lows in the upper 60s. East wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Sunday, mostly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 90s. Chance of rain 30%. Sunday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Monday, partly sunny with a chance of thunderstorms. Showers likely in the morning, then a chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. Chance of rain 60%. Monday night, mostly cloudy with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 70%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. A chance of thunderstorms. Showers likely in the morning, then a chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 60%. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 60s. Wednesday, partly sunny. 1, east at 5. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Gainesville listening area. Excessive heat warning in effect until 9 p.m. Friday. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 70s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday, sunny. A 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Hot with highs around 105. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. A 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 70s. East wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. And now the extended forecast. Saturday, mostly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-90s. East wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 30%. Saturday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly clear. Lows in the upper 60s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Sunday, mostly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 90s. Chance of rain 30%. Sunday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Monday, partly sunny with a chance of thunderstorms. Showers likely in the morning, then a chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. Chance of rain 60%. Monday night, mostly cloudy with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 70%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. A chance of thunderstorms. Showers likely in the morning, then a chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 60%. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 60s. Wednesday, partly sunny with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday, partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 40%. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas. This afternoon and tonight. Isolated thunderstorms may affect parts of central Texas this afternoon. Lightning and gusty winds will be the main threats. Excessive heat continues with highs between 100 to 108 degrees across the region. There is an elevated threat for grass fires, especially along and west of Interstate 35 through this evening. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. And now the hazardous weather outlook for Friday through Wednesday. Heat will continue on Friday with temperatures and heat indices between 100 to 110. The grass fire threat will continue through Friday, especially west of Interstate 35. There is a chance for thunderstorms each day beginning Friday through late next week. Some storms could become severe on Friday, with gusty winds and hail expected to be the main threats. The ultraviolet index forecast for September 8th is 9, or very high. The Gainesville climate summary for this evening is of 7 p.m., September 7th, 2023. Today's high temperature was 106 degrees and the low 73 degrees. No precipitation fell today. The normal high temperature for tomorrow is 89 degrees and the normal low is 67. Sunset tonight is at 7:46 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:07 a.m. The current time is 8:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KHA 99, serving the Munster and Gainesville listening area. The weather temperature and wind were made at 8 p.m. Gainesville, clear, 97, dew point 57, relative humidity 26%, wind southeast at 7, pressure 29.84 inches and steady. Boise, clear, 96, dew point 56, relative humidity 25%, wind south at 3, pressure 29.84 inches and steady. Bridgeport, clear, 98, south at 6. Decatur, clear, 102, heat index 100, south at 7. Denton, clear, 100, heat index 100, south at 8. Sherman-Denison, clear, 99, heat index 99, southeast at 6. Ardmore, clear, 94, calm. Elsewhere around the region, DFW Airport, clear, 99, south at 6. Wichita Falls, clear, 97, south at 9. Oklahoma City, partly cloudy, 89, southeast at 7. Paris, clear, 94, heat index 101, east at 5. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Gainesville listening area. Excessive heat warning in effect until 9 p.m. Friday. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 70s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday, sunny. A 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Hot with highs around 105. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. A 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 70s. East wind 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Well, how about that, boys and girls? 40% chance of rain now. That's nothing to sneeze at. We could be having some good times dancing in the rain. Or is it dancing in the wind? Whatever. That none of y'all went out to Burning Man, did you, this year? I take it Burning Man, they got taught a lesson this year. Seems to me. Seems to me they got taught a little lesson. Yes, I'm charging up one of my walkie-talkies. I'm sorry I didn't tell you about it, but I had forgotten I had left you on. I'm not too sharp today. My friend's got problems with his girlfriend, well, his wife. And that's no joke, man, when you got problems with your wife. We've all been there. We all wish we hadn't. Well, I'll tell you, I wished I had never had any girl problems, but I've got my share of them. And so it is. forgive me for not straightening up. I'm leaning over a chasm with my arm dangling over this 3-foot drop. Oh no, I've got a headache. And so it goes. I can't cheer Ricky up. But I can cheer me up. There's a pillow up there behind me that I want to get. And it's going to be harder to get. That wasn't too hard to get. Well, oh me, sailing doodles. What you ought to do, now since I turned you on to sailing doodles, you watch sailing doodles, but then you give me the like, because I turned you on to sailing doodles. Will you do that for me? And tell them Mark sent you over to Mark Themar, Themar, said that a like for you was a like for him because he wishes he had a sailboat and fabulous girls like you do. And I'm sorry about that last one that left. I thought she was going to be the one to stay on the boat. I remember those smells, the smells of the fiberglass, and so many wonderful times you have out on the water. And I can see why she was crying so much to leave you. And it wouldn't surprise me if she didn't change her mind and say, Bobby, it's worth being with you instead of all the academia I could master. But if she's got plans. She's got plans. Oh boy. But I'll tell you what, I thought that one was gonna make it. Bobby, I'll tell you what, you got a heart of gold to be able to let that one go and not just break down yourself. I'm sure it, well, you got a new crew quick enough. I just don't know how you tore up that sailboat so completely. If you were mad at her, just mad at the world, you tore that sailboat, that double-masted schooner, all to hell. What went wrong there? I watched it. I might have even given you some money on the deal. But you tore it all to hell. And that is a... Why? How? As careful as you are. I don't know. You must have been angry. Y'all must have had a fight. It's the only thing I can figure. But I'm going to end this one. God knows I've touted sailing doodles long enough. Please, my subscribers, don't leave me to go watch him. I'm just different. But you know, it's friends that make good subscribers, and I'm your friend. Without the bikinis or the beautiful sailboats or the beautiful ports of call. Oh, Lord, help me. Okay. Well, take care. God bless you. I know I run a lot of these out, but I'm having fun doing it. I'm gonna have Dragon here pretty quick, so I might be able to do some more writing and make them a little easier on me. Because right now I'm having to hunt and peck these letters because I forgot what the home row is and where the sea and the bees and the flowers and the trees and the moon up above and a thing called love. Yeah, that's me. Okay, goodbye. You take care of yourself now. You hear?